crashing in the ocean from way above. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. You've been locked in you forever and you just can't say goodbye. Kisses on the foreheads of the lovers wrapped in your arms. You've been hiding them in hollowed out pianos left in the dark. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. You've been locked in me forever and you just can't say goodbye. Your lips, my lips, apocalypse. Your lips, my lips, apocalypse. Go and sneak us through the rivers, flood is rising up on your knees. Oh, please, come out and haunt me. I know you want me. Come out and haunt me. Sharing all your secrets with each other since you were kids. Sleeping soundly with the locket that she gave you clutched in your fist. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. Got the music in you, baby, tell me why. You've been locked in you forever and you just can't say goodbye. You've been locked in you forever and you just can't say goodbye. When you're all alone, I will reach for you. When you're feeling low, I will be there too.
So what I'm really trying to say in my video is that life has so much more to offer, and what scares me and what made me actually make this video is the fact that we may overlook that, especially during these hard times. So don't give up, always be hopeful. There are 1,000 experiences left to be experienced, there are 1,000 places left to see, and there are 1,000 feelings left to be felt. So stay strong, stay in there, stay home, stay safe. And if you've watched the video and if you reached to the end of the video, I am humbled, I am grateful, I am overwhelmed, and it would really mean a lot to me if you would share this positive video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.